Alright, we've heard about manias, but does anyone realize that nymphomania is a kind of a sexual disorder where a person could go to any lengths to have sex? So here is Shama Sikandar, the Ye Meri Life Hai gal, who's out to prove that things like these do happen. A very bold short film, and Shama has already gathered a lot of views. Difficult to believe that this girl with the next door looks in Ye Meri Life Hai and the person who was also seen in the children's tele serial Balveer could actually travel this far to show her abilities. Quite impressive, and the film takes one down a journey lane where all can see the amount of effort that has been put for the film. Shama exudes a lot of passion and heat and seems to have really taken her job seriously this time. The movie obviously is only for adults and traverses into the lives of those who come across as sex maniacs. Good news! Sumona Chakraborty, who is most popularly known as Manju from Comedy Nights with Kapil and now comes on the Kapil Sharma show, is now finally getting hitched to her longtime boyfriend Samrat Mukherjee. Well, we believe this news would have certainly made her fans happy. Meanwhile, it is being said that the couple was dating each other for 4 years now and finally decided to tie the knot. But who is this Samrat Mukherjee? We tell you some interesting things about him. Samrat, who's 11 years older to Sumona, is actually Kajol and Rani Mukherjee's cousin. He also played a significant role in Ashutosh Gwarkar's film Khele Hum Ji Jaan Se. What's more, he's also a prominent star in the Bengali film industry. Whoa, now that's some interesting fact, isn't it? Well, a very congratulations to the lovely couple, and we are really looking forward for an official confirmation.
Alia Bhatt, Fawad Khan and Siddharth Malhotra recently visited Comedy Nights Bachao show to promote their upcoming movie Kapoor and Sons. Siddharth and Alia's chemistry as usual was sizzling, and they both had lots of fun during the show. Whereas Fawad Khan also tried his best to match the energy of Siddharth and Alia on the set. We've already seen Alia and Siddharth's chemistry earlier. Now let's see how Fawad Khan and Alia Bhatt's chemistry will work. In the promo, you can see Alia Bhatt in sexy short dress and having lots of fun on the set with Bharti and Krishna. Kapoor and Sons movie is being directed by Shakun Batra. Alia Bhatt, Siddharth Malhotra and Fawad Khan are playing lead role in the movie, and the movie will hit the theatres on March 18th. Whoa, the pretty Bastani is very busy these days in Los Angeles. And how is the lover boy Ranveer Singh bearing it all alone? Tough, isn't it? Yeah, and imagine if Deepika is now busy dating the hottest dudes in the town like Novak Djokovic, for instance. Yes, sporting a smart outfit with her now very common sleek hairdo, Dippy looked every bit a representation of true Bollywood grace as she was seen dining in a plush restaurant in Los Angeles. Way to go, girl! But we wonder what is Ram doing in this Ram Leela. As for Dips, we know she's out there busy with her shooting for the Hollywood flick XXX, The Return of Xander's Cage, where she's playing Cage's girl. We have been seeing the way our Piku has worked out and also trained, so we guess she has all the right to go spend some me time with Novak, right? We all know that how Salman Khan is famous for his drinking habit courtesy goes to his infamous drink and drive case. However, what we now hear that the superstar is now completely staying away from alcohol. Yes, you heard it right. Well, this seems a bit surprising as Asalu Mia, who's quite known to enjoy his drinks often, has reportedly decided to stay away from alcohol till the shooting of his upcoming film Sultan is wrapped up. Wonder why? Our Filmy B says that Salu, who's playing a Haryanvi wrestler in the movie, has truly worked hard to develop an impressive physique, and thus he wants to stay fit and sober for the entire duration of the shoot. Sounds pretty much convincing. But we guess if this is the reason that our Dabangg star was not seen partying with Sanjay Dutt after his jail release. What do you guys think? Do let us know.
Salman Khan is presently shooting for his upcoming movie Sultan, and we all know he shows his being human side on every set of his movies. Well, this time too, he didn't leave any stone unturned to show a golden side of his golden heart. Recently, on the sets of his movie Sultan, superstar Salman Khan took some time out and spent some precious time with a bunch of underprivileged kids. Wait, the story is not over yet. Our Sallu Mian not only spent some quality time with them, but even got a special scene with them for the film. Whoa, looks like he surely made a day of these underprivileged kids by bringing unimaginable smiles on their faces. Now the excitement level of watching the movie has increased more, and we believe many of us would love to see these kids with our Sallu Mian on screen in Sultan. Salman Khan has already started shooting for his film Sultan, and the makers have even started to promote the movie by releasing its first look. And going by the look in Salman's character in the film, we believe that the superstar is already on a rage with respect to his sturdy and bulky look. And thus, it seems like this look of Salman Khan has inspired many of his fans. Recently, a fan of our Sallu Mian made an impressive attempt to copy the physique look of his idol, which will definitely come into the notice of the superstar. Building up his body in the gym, this fan literally throws out some sweat to prove his fangiri and love to Salman Khan. Well, we all know that fans do try to imitate their favorite stars before their release and to show their love, but this one surely impresses with a heavy ton. Salman Khan's movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan made people cry from all the ages. One young girl from Bahrain named Suzy also cried while watching the movie, and her video went viral. Salman Khan also shared her video, and that made Suzy famous. Now again, Suzy is creating a lot of buzz as she shared some sweet moments with Salman Khan. There is a picture in which Salman Khan is holding her and kissing her on her forehead. Salman Khan looks so cute while holding Suzy, and Suzy also looks so comfortable in her idol star's arms. Let us tell you that after her crying video impressed Salman Khan, Suzy made another video in which she's proposing Salman Khan for marriage. As we all know that Salman Khan loves kids, he loved this video and replied to Suzy in his own sweet style. We are sure Salman Khan fans will love this picture. Well, kya baat hai? Hrithik Roshan is certainly a dude, and who does not know that, hai na? With the Bang Bang star really hitting it big on the muscle quotient and the Hollywood remake, Hrithik surely has set high standards when it comes to being rough and tough in a stylish way. Siddharth Anand has apparently bought the rights of the famous Hollywood flick Rambo and now plans to have our Krish in a different avatar. Alright, for all those who have loved to see their hero with Greek god looks, here is the good news. Hrithik would be doing it. Whoa, ain't we really proud of our own Rambo, who's surely the right choice? Who else would be able to look and act like the dashing Sylvester, what say? Hrithik himself, an achiever, is sure to bring forth more entertainment in Bollywood with a take on this muscle power emotion-packed Rambo series. We all know that only a handful of directors are getting opportunity to work with the superstar Salman Khan. And so director Ali Abbas must have been on cloud 9 when Salman agreed to star in his magnum opus Sultan. Well, but little did Ali know what comes behind roping our Sallu Mian. Everyone is aware that the actor is not at all obedient and so is quite relaxed and chilled out on the sets of his films. Whereas on the other side, Ali wants each and everything to be on time and perfect. And thus the filmmaker is now finding it very much difficult to get Salman Khan agreeing for the retakes during the shoot. Well, we hope things get resolved soon, as this is one such movie that everybody is impatiently looking out for, aren't you? Do let us know about Salman Khan and his tantrums. We all know how Salman and Shah Rukh are all set to fight each other at the box office this Eid with their respective films as Sultan and Raees. However, we believe this too will not become a barrier among these Khans, as their new collaboration will certainly leave you in splits. Still guessing what we're talking about? Well, our Filmy Bee tells us that the first look teaser of Salman Khan's upcoming film Sultan is now all set to be attached with Shah Rukh Khan's upcoming film Fan. Yes, you heard it right. Before the release of Raees this year, SRK will charm his fans with his movie Fan. And with much excitement over the film, our Sallu Mian thought to release his teaser with Enemy Turned Friends film. Whoa, what a smart move, Salman. Well, although for different movies, at least our superstars are coming together on screen this time. A sturdy, handsome man with a sexy lady always pleases to one's eye. And thus, the very handsome bachelor of our B-town, Salman Khan, poses with a hot and sexy lady, Ellie Avram, in their new photo shoot for Being Human. Well, going by the picture, we believe that they not only look super hot here, but also quite attractive, where all the girls would go jealous and all the boys would simply love it. But we guess what Ellie is doing here. Well, the hottie has done a photo shoot for Salman's brand Being Human for its new clothing summer line of the year 2016. Wearing an off-shoulder crop tee paired with denim jeans, Ellie looks elegantly hot here, whereas wearing a simple tee that too paired with denim jeans, our Sallu Mian looks quite dapper here. So guys, how do you find both of them in the picture? Do they look hot or not? Bade Bhaiya is out of jail and Chote Bhai has still not managed to meet him. We are talking about Sanjay Dutt and Salman Khan, as they have not been able to meet after Sanjay Dutt has walked out as a free man from the Yerawada jail. It was speculated that Salman and Sanju Baba will meet at a function, but Sallu Bhai left the venue before Sanjay Baba arrived. Is all this a coincidence or something has changed their friendship? It has been over a week since Sanjay Dutt has walked out from jail. Even Shah Rukh Khan met with the actor, but his so-called good friend cum Chote Bhai Salman Khan hasn't had a chance to meet him. Initially, it looked like they will bond big time at the Kishore Bajaj's Kresha's wedding reception, but in vain. By the time Salman Khan came with his family and met the newlyweds and left the venue, Sanjay Baba had not arrived. And when he did, Salman had already left. This is conspicuous. Well, isn't it a treat to be a part of the Salman Diaries? Yeah, with Bhai really busy with his Sultan shoot, it is amazing how he strikes a balance between things, hai na? Yeah, watch Bhai in action with the various activities, and this time there are pics of him hiking. Yes, you heard us right, the 50-year-old is hiking. The pic that has already become popular in social networking sites shows Salman in white crop pants and a blue tee with a stick in his hand. As the upcoming King Sultan, he has rightfully perched himself at the top. Way to go, Bhai, and absolutely a wonderful fare for people who love to get it right, would say. As for Salman, after he chose Anushka Sharma as his gal in his forthcoming muscle-flexing flick, we've also seen how dedicated his heroines are in managing a role, and with this kind of physical exercise in tow, we know Bhai is out to give his best in his Eid release. We were the first one to say how Sultan's teaser would be releasing with Shah Rukh Khan's movie Fan. And now our Filmy Bee is telling us that Shah Rukh Khan is already playing a cameo in our Sallu Mian Sultan. Yes, you heard it right. And we have the proof. Do check out the exclusive picture here where SRK is greeting with Salman on the sets of Sultan. Now, isn't this super exciting news for all the fans out there who would love to see these two superstars on screen together? Well, we definitely hope so that this would come real. As it is still under wrap that Shah Rukh Khan just came to meet his friend Salman on the sets of Sultan, or is he playing any cameo in the film? Whoa, now this would surely crack one's mind, and to know this, we can now hardly wait to watch Sultan. The very famous six-pack band that features 6 transgender singers from the Hijra community had a big fan moment when they met their superstar Shah Rukh Khan. Yes, you heard it right. The actor, who has been getting appreciation for his upcoming film Fan, was in for a sweet surprise when the members of the band wished SRK good luck in their own way. He also had a very delightful moment while singing a Jabra fan song with the band members. What's more, Shah Rukh also learnt a cool dancing move from the transgender people. Whoa, now this seems pretty much interesting, isn't it? Recently, Y Films launched India's first transgender band featuring 6 singers from the Hijra community. And the same banner, who's the youth wing of Yash Raj Films that also produced Fan, releases a small video of a meet and greet of these transgender people with Shah Rukh Khan. Alright, when we have to have humor, there is no one to beat our Rangila Khan. So what is special about the Raja Hindustani? Well, we do know how badly Aamir got embroiled in a major controversy about intolerance, don't we? Well, Anupam Kher quite didn't like Aamir's stand on the intolerance remark. Obviously, when reporters asked Aamir his opinion on Anupam Kher's take, Aamir decided to do a turnabout and joked that maybe Anupam thought it was his wife Kiran. Alright Aamir, we got the point. You just needed to brush away all the allegations cause you're getting ready for your muscle flexing dangal, aren't you? Aamir is quite busy with his biopic on Mahavir Phogat and would want the film-going Janta to love his performance. The best way he could get their attention is by avoiding all such controversies. Anyway, knowing Aamir's penchant for grit, we know he would be successful.